In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize rows and columns in Google Sheets. Let's start by opening your Google Sheets document so you can follow along. Everything we're doing works right in the browser, and you'll see changes update immediately as you adjust your sheet. This is especially helpful when your data looks cramped or overly spaced, and you want a cleaner, more readable layout. First, let's resize a single row. Move your mouse to the far left, over the row numbers. Hover right on the boundary line beneath a row number. When your cursor changes to an up and down arrow, click and drag. Pull down to make the row taller or push up to make it shorter. Release the mouse to set the height. If you go too far, don't worry. You can drag again to fine-tune, or use undo to revert. A quick tip: taller rows are useful when you have wrapped text or larger content like checkboxes or images. Next, let's resize a column. Move to the top of the sheet where the column letters are. Hover over the line to the right of a column letter. When the cursor turns into a left-right arrow, click and drag to widen or narrow the column. You'll see the width adjust in real time. Wider columns are great for long labels or numbers. Narrower columns help keep your sheet compact. If text looks cut off, widen the column, or consider enabling text wrap if that's part of your formatting style. For a quick, automatic fit, you can auto-resize. Double-click the boundary between the row numbers to auto-fit that row to its tallest cell, or double-click the boundary between column letters to auto-fit the column to its longest entry. This is a fast way to clean up a sheet after pasting in data. Keep in mind, auto-fit sizes based on visible content, so wrapped text or hidden content can influence the result. To resize multiple rows or columns at once, start by selecting the range you want. Click and drag across several row numbers or column letters to highlight them. Then, right-click anywhere in the selection and choose Resize Rows or Resize Columns. Enter a specific size to apply the exact height or width you want. This is especially handy for consistent formatting across a report. When you're ready, press OK to apply the new size, and the change will be applied to the entire selection in one go. That's it. With these simple adjustments, your Google Sheets can look cleaner, read easier, and feel more professional.